Hey there, I wanted to give a quick review of Bambu Earth's Magnesium Deodorant. Of all of the Bambu Earth products, I have to say this one has quickly become my favorite only because it shocked me the most. I'm someone who's really skeptical of the natural deodorants. I have my daytime career and then I teach evening classes at a gym. And so I need something that's going to last me not only all throughout the day, but to carry into that gym time routine in the evening as well. And so the idea of a natural deodorant kind of had me thinking that there's no way something could uphold the sweatiness, the stinkiness that is going to hit me by the time I'm in the gym working out and then walking out to go home. But Bambu Earth shocked me. So they've got their magnesium deodorant. It comes in a glass spray bottle. As with all Bambu Earth products, it is 100% natural ingredients, so you know exactly what's in it. It's got a really earthy smell because it's no artificial fragrances. So that was kind of cool too. I had to get used to it, I'm not gonna lie, but now that I've been using it for about a year, I don't even notice the earthy tones to it. I actually kind of really enjoy it. But anyways, the other cool thing is that it actually helps your body absorb more magnesium. So if that's something that you're deficient in, rather than taking a bunch of supplements, you can get a little bit more magnesium by your deodorant, which is super weird but cool. Anyways, just a quick show of how I put it on. There's a couple different ways depending on what my morning routine looks like and how much time I've got. You're gonna give the bottle a quick shake because you'll notice that the ingredients tend to separate. So there will be a little bit of some white stuff on the bottom. When you shake it up, it'll gather everything throughout the bottle nice and well. Have a washcloth or a towel or something handy. First way, if I'm in a rush that I put it on, is that I go ahead and tuck a towel in here, give it one spray, rub that around, 2 sprays, rub that around, and you can do anywhere from 2 to 4. I usually do 3 or 4 last spray, and then I'll really rub that in if I'm short on timing. That'll just help it absorb a lot quicker. And then I take my towel out, and I'm ready to go. Other way is, again, put a towel in most of the time. I'm probably actually in a sports bra or something, so the towel doesn't usually need to be there. But the other way that I do it, if I have more time, is to just give a couple sprays, rub that in. One more. And then this is a slow morning, so I might take the towel out and let it all naturally air dry rather than rubbing it in. I'll do my hair, my makeup. By the time I go to put on my clothes, everything's dry. That's a longer morning. If for some reason anything's leaking out, again, little washcloth just to kind of rub around the area and pick up any of that excess stuff. So I will tell you that for me, it truly does work. It keeps the stink away. By the time I'm walking out of the gym, of course, there's always a little bit of funkiness, but it's nothing overwhelming. The other cool thing, I've taken it with me on trips to places like Hawaii, where the humidity is way more than what I would like to handle, and it actually ends up doing well in the humidity as well. In Hawaii, I think that's one of the only places where maybe 2 out of the 7 days that we stayed, I reapplied in the middle of the day, but for the most part, I sprayed it on in the morning. I was walking around, I was in the ocean, coming out, and it still held up really well. So if you haven't tried it yet, give it a try. Like any product, it doesn't work for everyone. There are ways that you can layer it with a second natural deodorant if it doesn't quite hold up to your standards, but I promise you, you won't be disappointed with this one.